What's up, you guys? It's Sienna, and I'm going to be doing another unboxing video. Let me know what you think of this setup. It's a little bit different from normal, but I have here a box. Gotta be careful not to show you guys my address by accident, but these are the Sennheiser's audiophile headphones. So these are really cool. They were on sale for about $100. They're normally about $200 or more dollars. Trying to figure out where to cut into the box. So let's go right here where it looks like it's like tape shut. Away from me so I don't stab myself. That would not be pleasant. Let's get into this. Okay, so we got the box here. We can see the headphones. It looks like, first thing I noticed, let's just pull this baby right out. Okay, let's put the box on the floor. There's only like the little warranty things. So we got this. We've got a little converter down here from, it looks like big to little aux cord. Pretty sure that's what that is. I'll reconfirm in just a moment. But I heard these are super comfy, super nice, like sound and everything. Yes. So let's unwrap these babies. Let's try the other direction. This is a lot of plastic. Okay, ooh, these are soft. Let me just take that second to go, wow. This is like actual like fuzzy fuzz soft. Okay, that's cool. Anything with softness on it gets a point. Okay, so yes, it's definitely big aux cord. It looks like too little aux cord. Once I get, it's like I don't want to. Oh, good. Just taped nice and small. Okay. What is this? This looks to be just an aux cord. It looks like the normal wire for it. Looks to be nice and durable. It is big aux cord, so you just plug it into this and you can plug it into any of the little things that might, like normal headphone jacks. So that's good that they gave us this converter. I can plug this into my anything, my computer. My computer into my mic. Probably better if I put it into the actual computer, because I know that makes, it was just explained to me the other day. It converts it differently and it gives you a crisper audio doing it that way. So let's see. First of all, wow, this is soft. Let me adjust. Okay, so left side, right side. Okay, these are very light. They stay on my head and fit very well. Like, you can adjust them, of course, but like I have a tiny head, so finding headphones that naturally fit on my head and don't squeeze. My last one squeezed a lot, the Yeti ones. But wow, this is light. I really like it. It doesn't feel like it's closing in all of my sound, and it's so soft. I think I just found a new favorite headset, like for normal headset things. This is the side. Oh my gosh. Wow. I kind of really like these. I don't know. I got for Black Friday these and the Razer Kraken Kitty headphones, and as much as I love the Kitty headphones, they are USB, so that's a little sucky, but that's just so that it can convert it to RGB. But these are like even lighter, softer. Oh my gosh. Well, I'll do a after having them for a month kind of video later, but this is my first impressions unboxing. I think these are pretty nice. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye! Oh my god, these are like really nice.